Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, Karna. So, I introduce myself first that I'm Sunita Jain, your instructor for the day. And I come to know that you are very brilliant in maths. So, tell me about yourself first. Hope you take 1 or 2 minutes.
Ma'am, my name is Karna. I study in grade 6A, Prerna Waldorf School. I live in Hyderabad.
Okay. So, in the previous class, what you have done?
Ma'am, we finished chapter 4 IMO workbook.
Okay.
We need to start chapter 4. Theory, ma'am. Not the lesson, but we need to do the theory though.
Very good. So this time we are going to take the topic
Ma'am, we are going to take what?
integers you have completed.
Yes, ma'am. We completed in maths class.
So do you have uh, any practice notebook here with you?
Ma'am, notebook for writing now?
Writing.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and also I need some advanced questions on geometrical shapes.
Which you want?
Ma'am, I need some advanced questions on geometric shapes, chapter 4 IMO workbook. Grade 6. Like advanced question, I mean grade 7, grade 8, all of questions which are given.
You want to share your question? You can share, otherwise I'll explain.
Ma'am, and there nothing to explain, but no question, but can you like give me some advanced questions on geometry, like grade 7, 8? I am a workbook chapter for basic geometrical shapes.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I don't understand, I'll ask.
I'll be sharing this advanced question, 2 or 3 advanced question.
Okay.
This
Ma'am,
is a some question
any
paper.
doubt I'll ask.
This is a question paper of some of the Olympiad.
Okay.
Are you able to see the paper here?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now I do. Ma'am, it's in all in Hindi. I don't understand.
Question number 9. It is in English and Hindi both, but you have to read it in English.
And the figure given PQ. Ma'am, do you need a compass now?
No, not required.
Ma'am, a protractor? Not required.
Nothing required.
Okay.
See that. I'll explain. If you read this, what are parallel lines?
Ma'am, parallel lines are like opposite of each other.
The lines which do not meet at one
Yes, ma'am.
any point
Yes.
is called parallel lines. Okay. So first of all, see that the arrow sign indicates that these two are the parallel lines. So here in this question, what are the parallel lines here?
Ma'am, in this question,
Tell me the parallel line.
ma'am, Y and X.
Y and X means XR and YQ are the parallel lines. Okay. So
Yes.
you see that here, you have to make a concept of that corresponding angles, vertical angles. Do you know that?
Ma'am, not
Have
corresponding.
you ever studied about that corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles? That type of question you have already studied in the school or not?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Now, first I'll explain that and then I'll proceed to this question.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, you are not able to understand this question. Please, I'll be explaining that part of the geometry. Okay. See that once we are going to make this two lines, these two are the parallel lines. You can also draw with the pencil.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I do that and also the third one?
Do you have ruler with you?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Draw with the ruler.
Okay. Just a done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are able to see that two lines are there.
Yes.
That is line L and line M, which is given as EF line and GH line. These two are the parallel lines. These two lines never intersect each other. Okay. But the third line, which is getting intersect, is the line. Name the line.
Ma'am, line AB.
AB line, which is intersecting at the two lines at point
Point. Ma'am, C and D.
C and D. Yeah. These two are the lines which intersect, points which intersect each other. Now you can see that these two lines are making some angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Every line here, it is making some angle. This is one angle. This is two angle, another angle. This is the third angle. This is the fourth angle. So these all are making all the angles. So there are many concepts over here. One is, and this is suppose we are taking angle 1. Okay. Now this is angle 2. This is angle 3. This is angle 4. Okay. Similarly, we can do it with the another line, that is angle 5,
Angle 6.
angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. We are giving the 9. Are you able to understand? If you are not able to understand it at any place, you just tell me that I'm not able to understand at
Ma'am,
that place.
I can.
Yeah. Now, you have to just think about that. We can make this line, if we compare in a different way, that this is a straight line, and this makes this angle, the angle which is making 106, 100, and straight line makes what angle?
Ma'am, it makes a straight angle 180 degrees.
Straight angle makes 180 degree. Okay. Suppose a straight angle becomes bisect to each other. Suppose this is of 60 degree. So what about this angle?
Ma'am, acute angle.
This is O, A, B. Suppose this is A, B, C.
Ma'am,
So you have to,
COD will become obtuse angle.
this is obtuse angle, the angle measurement of the angle.
Measurement.
The whole angle is 180 degree.
Yes, ma'am, the whole angle.
Portion is of 60 degree. The rest portion is?
Ma'am, you need to subtract, which you will get
Yes.
120 degree.
120 degree. Okay, like this. Now, suppose this angle is 60 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
And this angle is 120 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, angle 1 is 120 degree. Here I'm writing angle 1 is equals to 120 degree and angle 2 is 60 degree. Okay. See that the placing, the same kind of place here you can see A, so I'm highlighting it. This is making some angle and
Yeah.
same place, the same kind of angle I'm making it here. Is it same?
Yes.
Is it same? So can you say that angle 1 is equal to angle 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, what other angles are similar at the
Ma'am,
same position?
ma'am, angle 2 and angle 6.
Angle 2 and angle 6. Yes, very good. Now this position.
Ma'am, which one? Yes, ma'am, that is 2 and 6.
This is angle.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, angle 3 and angle 7.
Angle 3 and angle 7. Same with the other side.
Ma'am, angle 4 and angle 8.
Angle 4 and angle 8. Okay. Now, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These angle, which is of the same place of the parallel side, same side of the parallel lines. See that 1 is towards the right side.
Yes, ma'am.
Right side, 1 is the right side. 5 is also right side. 4 is also right side.
Yes, ma'am. 8
8 is also right side. Left side 2 and left side 6. Left
Ma'am,
side 3
3,
and
7.
left side 3. So all these kind of angles are said to be the corresponding angles.
Okay.
First, before taking the questions from the Olympiad, just we have to go with the concept clearance. So the concept is I'm clearing the concept of this chapter. Okay. Now this is the one thing we have to make sure that when the lines are parallel, any two lines are parallel, if any of the one corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. This is the concept.
Okay.
Okay. These are the, if suppose angle 1 is of 120 degree. So what about angle 5?
Ma'am, it will be same as 120 degrees.
Pardon?
Ma'am?
Angle 1 is of 120 degree. So
Ma'am,
what
but
about angle 5?
ma'am, but you like you can't exactly tell, but estimatedly it's 120 each.
Hmm?
Ma'am, you can't tell it exactly, but it's 120.
Yes, if it is showing that angle 1 is equal to angle 5, then if angle 1 is of 120
Ma'am,
degree,
5 is also of 120 degrees.
120 degree angle. What about angle 6?
Ma'am, angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees.
60 degree. Likewise, angle 3 is equal to angle. Okay. Now we have this question that how we will get other part of this. Angle 3, how we will get angle 3. So the next one is, we are coming to the question that again I'm making the same figure.
Okay.
Again I'm making the same figure.
Right. Ma'am, if you need to find the measure of angle 3, you need a protractor, right?
So now you can see that two angles are making X position. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we are making this X position of the angles, these two angles are equal. Opposite
Yes, ma'am.
angles are equal.
Opposite
This is
angle.
said to be the vertically opposite angles.
Okay. Ma'am, just a minute. Let me draw that. Yes, ma'am.
So one side up and down are equal, left and right are equal. So
Cool.
these two are the said to be the vertically opposite angles.
Well,
So
yeah.
if we are making angle 1 is equals to angle 1 is
Angle
equals to
3.
what? This is
Angle,
making X. So angle 1 and opposite side of angle 1 is
angle 3.
angle 3.
Ma'am, so it will be 120 degrees.
Angle 2 is
Ma'am, angle 2 is angle 4, 60 degrees.
angle 4. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So angle 1, you will know that and it is equal to 120 degrees. So angle 3 is also
120 degrees. Ma'am, 2
angle
is
4
60
is equal
degrees, so
to
4
6.
is also 60 degrees.
Yes. So this is the, and in the lower portion, again, you have the same concept of vertically opposite angles. So angle 5 is of,
Ma'am, angle 5 is a 120.
angle 5 is equal to, you have to give the reason why they are equal. Angle 6 is equals to angle 8. So these all four answers are vertically opposite angles.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to give the reason why they are equal.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Somewhere you are writing like this. So show me the notebook. It's like this, and you have to, whatever work you are doing or whatever the questions you are doing, you have to send to your Manisha ma'am.
Ma'am, should I show it to you? Right? I can.
What?
Ma'am, should you want me to show it to you?
You're residing on which, at which place, beta?
Ma'am?
You are from which place?
Ma'am, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Which
Okay,
school
ma'am.
you?
Ma'am, Prerna Waldorf.
Okay. Now, this is the first we have learned what corresponding angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, should I show you what I've done so far? Ma'am, you are on mute. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Show it me like this.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I did it in a like straight.
Okay, good. Now, one of the third proportion, how we can say that these lines are, if the vertically opposite angles are equal, then we can say that the lines are parallel. One more thing, that is interior, alternate interior angles. So coming to this question, alternate interior angle, what are alternate? Alternate means you skip one. Interior means this angle 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all inside the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 7, 8 is outside the line.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3, 4, 5, 6. These four angles are inside the lines. That means this is interior of the lines. And if you skip one angle, that means if you skip after 3, 4, and then 5, these are alternate. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Why? Because it is interior opposite angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, other one, you give me another one. If 3 is there, so what is the alternate of 4?
Ma'am, 3 star.
What is the alternate of 4?
Ma'am, 6.
Is also equal to, that is also the same interior opposite angles. Okay, these two angles are also equal. So suppose if you know that angle 3 is equal to 120 degree, what about angle 5?
Ma'am, what was the question again? I didn't hear you.
Angle 3 is 120 degree, as we have already
Ma'am, 5
mentioned
also is
here.
120 degrees.
Same. What is the reason?
Ma'am,
Angle
because
3 is equal to
interior
angle 5.
opposite angles.
Yes, interior opposite angle. Sorry, this is not interior. There's a mistake. Alternate interior angles.
Alternate.
Alternate interior. So if angle 3 is equals to 120 degree, therefore angle 5 is also equal to
Also 120
150
degrees.
degree. Why? You have to tell the reason, that is alternate
Alternate
interior angle.
interior angles.
Okay. And now one more concept is there. That is, you can see the F. See F of each side.
Yes, yes, ma'am, I see F.
This F is being drawn like this. I'm highlighting. flag F.
Yes.
Okay. This F
Yes.
you have angle this and angle this inside.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Angle 8 and angle 1 outside.
Angle 4 and angle 5. Okay. Now angle 4 and angle 5. What is the relation between the angle F, angle 4 plus angle 5? Not equal. These two angles are not equal. Angle 4 and angle 5 makes the sum of 180 degrees. Okay, because
Ma'am. Okay.
these are two
Ma'am, for
interior
ma'am,
angles. This is said to be
angle 4 plus
co-interior angles.
angle 5 is sum of 180 degrees.
Yeah, sum is 180 degrees.
Okay.
Co-interior angles are supplementary. Sum of two angles, if there that is 180 degree, it is said to be supplementary. If it is of 90 degree, what is said? If it is of 90 degree, what is said?
Ma'am,
Supplementary angle.
ma'am,
If two angles, if any two angles, the sum of both the angles are 90 degree, it is said to be the complementary angles.
complementary and
And
supplementary.
if the sum is 180 degree, it is said to be the supplementary angles.
Ma'am, let me just write it down. Ma'am, 90 is complement.
90 is complementary.
Okay, okay.
Another teacher was taking earlier the class.
Oh, yes, ma'am. We stopped at chapter 5. I asked her to take advanced questions, but then something happened.
Okay. You have any doubt, you can ask me in the class. And whatever the work you are doing and the worksheet I'll provide, you just do it and send to your teacher in the Chanakya tutorials.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send it to Manisha, ma'am.
Manisha, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
So suppose angle 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 4 is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. The sum becomes
Ma'am, someday becomes
180
180
degree.
degrees.
So supplementary.
Supplement.
Okay, likewise, again I'm showing the F, opposite F. Opposite F.
Yes, ma'am. Positive.
From this end, they see that this is the flag.
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite F.
3 and 6.
Angle and this angle. So
Ma'am,
what are these two angles?
angle 3 and angle 6.
Angle 3 and angle 6. Same position.
Ma'am?
Same position.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Every time you have to read, right? Co-interior angles
Ma'am,
are correct.
co-interior.
Co-interior angles
Okay.
are supplementary. Karna beta, can you just revise it? We will revise it what we have done.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we drew the figure. We drew the figure of two parallel lines and one intersecting line. Then we learned what corresponding angles are. Uh, what is it? What is it above is the same angle below. There are corresponding angles. And we learned in the shape of X, they are called vertically opposite angles, which are equal. And then we learned interior opposite angles like 3 and 5, 4 and 6. And then we learned uh, uh, unequal angles like angle 4 plus angle 5 in the figure given, which is 180 degrees co-interior or supplementary. Same for the one you did right now.
Yes. So we have all angles We have done. Exterior angles are also equal. So again, I'm giving you one question. Tell me the answer. After writing all these parts, tell me the answer. If the sign is like this, two arrows are made. The arrows are made in between the line. It means this is a parallel line.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is written in the question or not, if the arrow sign is there in between the line, it means these two lines are parallel. Okay, line L and line M, these two are parallel. The third line which intersects these two lines are said to be the transversal.
Ma'am, what is it called?
Transversal.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. Make it as I had made.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, I made.
Okay. Now I am giving you angle 1 is of 125 degree. Find all other angles.
Ma'am, then angle 5 should be 125. Angle 3 should be 125.
Okay. Now I am giving you the note of this. You can annote here. I'm
Ma'am,
giving you the
it out?
control. You can annote. You can do it here also and write it in your notebook also.
Okay.
I'm giving you the remote control. You can drag the mouse.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, drag the mouse and what should I do?
Drag the mouse and write it over here. Which angle is equal to what?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if you give me, I'll write.
Are you able to write on the screen?
Ma'am, this one you mean?
Yes. This is
Okay.
the text. You can drag the mouse and find. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Ma'am, sorry if my handwriting is bad.
No issues. Whatever the writing is, it will be accepted.
Ma'am, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Ma'am, and then
Right.
if you...
Tell me the reason. I'll write the reason also.
Okay,
Why
ma'am.
these two are equal? This and this are why they are equal.
Ma'am, because they are equal, because they are in the shape of X and they are vertically opposite.
So it is vertically equal. Okay. Okay. Now next, why 1 and
Ma'am,
5
and
are
then
equal?
corresponding angles.
Okay. Now start solving also. If 1 is there, you have to find 2, 3, 4, everyone. So 1 is there, so find angle 3. What is angle 3?
Ma'am, same thing. Or 125 degrees.
Hmm.
Ma'am, but to measure two, to measure one angle for finding corresponding angles and vertical angles, you need to measure two.
Okay. How you will find angle 2?
Ma'am, protractor.
How will you find angle 2?
Ma'am, you need a protractor, you measure.
No.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, are you there? I can't see you or hear you.
Sorry, beta, it was a power cut over here. Due to bad weather. Which bike you have made on the backside of your screen?
Ma'am, is just a pads.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Ma'am, reading books, building Legos, drawing.
That's great. So what about angle 2? How will you do angle 2?
Ma'am, other than measuring, I don't know anything. How you do?
Angle 1 plus angle 2, because it is a straight line. And like this, you are making a straight line 2 angles. Angle 1 is already given, which is 125-degree angle. What about angle 2? Because this is a straight line and the sum of the straight line is 180 degree.
180 degrees.
So
Ma'am,
125 degree is already
125.
angle 1.
Ma'am, 180 minus
Equal to
125, which is going to be
you have to transpose this towards this side, minus sign,
it should be 55 degrees.
65 or what?
Ma'am, 55.
55, yes. 55 degree. So now you got the angle 2 also.
Yes, ma'am.
When you get in.
Then angle 4, corresponding angle 4 is equal to same 55. Angle 6, same 55 degrees.
Yes. Angle 2 is equals to 55. Angle 6 also equal to 55. Now angle 4. Every time you have to write what is angle 2.
Angle 4 is also.
Angle 4. Why? What is the reason?
Ma'am,
Vertically opposite angle?
vertically opposite.
So angle 4 is equals to, angle 2 is given, that is equals to 55.
55 degrees.
How I am writing in a proper manner, you have to write in a proper manner.
Okay.
And you block it. So angle 2 already done. Angle 2, we know that angle 2 is there. So what about angle 3? In the sequence you do, okay? Angle 3 is equals to,
Mom, angle 3 is equal to. Mom, can you show the photograph once? Or like, I mean, the figure.
angle 3 is equals to what?
Mom, same 125 degrees.
Already solved questions, already solved part, which is equals to angle 1 or angle 6. All angle 6 we don't know. Either you can find first angle 6.
Mom, angle 6 is 55 degrees, right?
How? Angle
Corresponding.
angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Angle 6 is equals to
Angle
50. Angle 3 is equals to angle
1. Oh, okay, 125 degrees.
angle 1. Why? Every time you have to mention why it is equal.
Corresponding. Mom, next one vertically opposite.
1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. When the Olympiad is scheduled, you know the date?
Mom, it's mostly in August. We still don't know the dates.
Okay, now you block it. Every time you get the answer, you block it, okay? In the notebook, you have to write it like this. Now angle 3 already, angle 4 is done, angle 5. Angle 5 is equals to what?
Mom, 125 degrees.
How?
Mom, corresponding.
Corresponding with what?
Mom, corresponding angle 1 and 5.
1 and 5. This to mention is very necessary. All these, why are you writing? It is very necessary to write all these things. Okay, for the Olympiad, it is not necessary, but because that is the MCQ question, but for the concept, clearance of the concept, it is very important to cover this part, okay? Angle 7 and angle 8 is left. Angle 7, 8 is left.
Mom, Mom,
Vertically.
vertically opposite 6 and 8, 5 and 7. 6
Yes.
is 55, so 8 is, sorry, yeah, 8 is 55, 5 is 125, so 7 is 125.
Angle 7, angle 5 is equals to angle 7. Angle 6 is equals to angle 8. So angle 7 is
Mom,
why
angle
they
7 is equal to 125 degrees, angle 8 is equal to 55 degrees. Mom, first one vertically opposite, second one corresponding. Mom, sorry, second one is also vertically opposite.
angle 7 is also this. Angle 7 is 125 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle 8 is also, angle 8 is what? Equal to 60 degree. Angle 8 is equal to 50 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So one more concept, what we have found all the angles with either corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, corresponding angles. But we haven't mentioned anywhere alternate interior angles and co-interior angles. One, you have to mention with the co-interior angles as when you are finding the angle 5, when you are finding angle 5 or angle 6, you have to mention any one as co-interior angle. Okay, here when we are mentioning angle 5, we have taken it as a corresponding. It's okay, no issues, it is right. But sometimes we can say that angle 5 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angles. Okay, sometimes we can choose of them because here every time we have chosen the same. Correct. It is not wrong. It is good. Everything is good. Vertically
Just give me
corresponding,
a minute,
vertically
okay?
corresponding, vertically corresponding. Okay. But we have to choose that. See that here we have co-interior angles also. So sometimes we have to mention about co-interior angles and sometimes we have to mention alternate interior angles also. Clear? Now the question which I was explaining to you, that was one of the question like this. Now here we can say this question, this is 2x and this is y and this is x. So can you tell me, you have to extend this line like this. You have to extend line like this. Okay. Now this is a parallel line to each other and this is the transversal. You can draw. It is a slightly difficult and challenging question. This is a challenging question.
Ma'am, if it 120,
Shall I erase that?
yeah, ma'am.
These two lines are parallel and this is the transversal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me if this angle is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree.
Ma'am, the place where R is there, it is also 120 degree.
This is 120. This whole part is 120. Because why this is 120? Because this is alternate interior angle. Okay. So here we have x plus 2x is equals to 120 degree. This is x part and this is 2x part which is equals to 120 degree. Total 1x plus 2x, 1x plus 2x,
Ma'am, 120 degree.
1x plus 2x makes
Ma'am, 3x.
3x. 3x is equals to
Ma'am,
120 degree.
120.
What is the value of x?
Ma'am,
This x will come, this 3 will come down
ma'am, by 3, which is 40.
40 degree. So x, the value of x is 40 degree.
Mom,
Okay, the
40.
value of x is 40 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, so this one is 40 degree. This one is of how much?
2x.
Yeah, if x is equals to 40 degree,
Mom,
whatever,
80 degrees.
huh?
2x is equal to 80 degrees.
80 degree. So here it is of 80 degree. 2x is 80 degree. What about y? What about y?
Mom, 89 degrees.
See that here 2x plus y makes 180 degree because it is co-interior angle. Okay, one side of f. You remember that I have made one f like this. This is f. This is f.
Yes, ma'am.
This is challenging f. 2x is 80 degree and this one is co-interior angle. Y is also equal to, y is equals to 40 degree.
40 degrees.
No, this is 80 degree. This is a what?
Mom, that is 89 degrees.
If it is of 80 degree and 180, 100. Y is
Mom,
of 100 degree
it is not an obtuse angle.
because these two angles make 180 degree supplementary.
Okay.
Shall I raise? Now clear screen. See that this is of 80 degree. This is one. These two lines are parallel. So
Yes.
this is also co-interior angle. So co-interior angle means the sum of these two angles makes 180 degree. If
Yes.
it is of 80 degree, this is of 100. The other angle will be
100.
both the angles makes 180 degree. If 80 degree is already there, so left behind is
Mom,
180
100
minus
degrees.
80,
100.
100.
100 degrees.
So y is equals to 100 degree, x is equals to what? X is equals to 40 degree.
40 degrees.
So here our question is, what is the value of x plus y in degrees?
Mom, 140 degrees. Option B.
140 degree. You got my question? This one question makes a one whole topic we have done. Okay, now understood this type kind of question?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me in another class. When is your another class?
Mom,
Schedule?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, we will continue with this. Go and practice. I'll be sending you the homework part. Do that, okay?
Thank. Mom, are we done?
Okay, thank you, Bache.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.